Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by saving work and closing all Office apps before you begin. Check your Office editions such as Office 365, Office 2019, or Office 2016. On Windows 10, open Settings, then Apps and Features to view installations. On Windows 11, open Settings, then Installed apps for a list. Note whether your Office uses Click to Run or MSI, because steps differ. If you are uncertain, check Control Panel Programs and Features for more technical details. Gather your Microsoft account email and product key if available for reinstallation. To uninstall, open Settings or Control Panel, depending on your Windows version. In Settings, find Microsoft Office entry and choose Uninstall, then confirm the prompt. In Control Panel, open Programs and Features, right-click Office and choose Uninstall. For click-to-run installations, Windows will run a quick removal wizard automatically. MSI-based installs may require original installer media or elevated permissions to remove. Restart your PC after uninstall to complete file removal and registry cleanup steps. If uninstall fails, use Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. After uninstall, remove leftover folders in C/Program Files and C/Program Files, x86. Delete Office data in %appdata %Microsoft and local app data if you do not need backups. Use the SAW Array Cleanup tool from Microsoft to remove registry keys and service entries safely. To reinstall, sign into your Microsoft account portal, download Office, and follow installer steps. Activate Office with your Microsoft account or a 25-character product key when prompted. Keep system updated and run Office updates after install to ensure security and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.